How to fix Xbox app problem on any Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Xbox app problem on any Android phone. First, just open settings and then scroll down here until you find storage, and then click clean up. Now clean some space here, and after that go back to settings and then go to apps, and then apps again, and here type Xbox, click on it, and now click permissions. Now just allow all of those permissions here, and that's it. Now just go back and go to storage, clear cache, and that's it. Now just try again and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.